you served it.
Can't move.
Chris wipes his sweat. Sweat off his nose.
Yeah, he served.
I wiped my sweat off
Chris
my...
goes, well, I'm sweating. Wow, you served it.
Served, huh?
That's funny.
What the crap.
Let's come back. You ready? Going. Missed it.
Amazing.
Every time it gets on the inside like that, I think you have to turn like this, Chris.
That's what I do.
I think that's what you got to do when it gets inside like that.
Chris has got it.
See,